Getting cold, windy. That means cold, coughing time. Coughing time. Now, we know, I always said if you want about something about your health, if you need medicine, this is the place to go. The medicine shop. Flu shot. King Street, comment ça va? Ça va très bien. King Street Pharmacy. And this is the place to go. But unfortunately, this time around, for coughing, you don't go at King Street Pharmacy. There's somebody that I saw that was coughing and wants to know what to do about the coughing. Well, I'm going to show you what to do. This is the only medicine for coughing that will really help you. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to go inside the store. We'll see how far I can go. So you go on Westmoreland Street. You don't get it done, you just want to walk, right? Victory Meat Market. Yeah, because some people cough, it never stops. Somebody moving in here, I guess. There's a dog again. Come on. Yeah, I know. Come on. Dioji, that side. There's a dog in the corner. I'll start walking a little bit faster. Until he sees that dog. Yep, here we go. So, Westmoreland Street, Radical Edge is right there. Firestone. Never mind that dog, DOG. Come on. Come on. DOG. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to go inside. We're just promoting a product here. I'm surprised they don't have a sign outside. The best cough medicine in New Brunswick. It's right there. Right there. All right. Now, what is it? Let's see if I can get in there. Come on. Come on, Georgie. Hello. Can you show me, can you show me your cough medicine you have, the organic there?
Cough medicine?
The cough medicine you have? I'm doing a video here.
Oh, okay.
Organic?
Organic. Okay.
Can you show me a bottle outside so I can show the...
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Come on. This price for you. So hyper. so hyper, you. Oh, yeah. Shouldn't take that long just to promote it's that brown ball over there.
Oh, do you mean the oregano oil?
Yes.
Okay.
That's
okay.
it. Yeah. Promote it. There we go. Okay, so I'm surprised you don't have a sign outside. Here, let the guy go out. So, if you, DOG, stop it. You cough, this is the thing right there. Just go there and get that, and you will stop coughing. Trust me.